Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
This video explains 2 reliable ways to use your laptop keyboard with a phone. First method uses Bluetooth HID pairing, ideal for Mac OS to iPhone connections. Second method uses desk dock for Android using a USB cable or Wi-Fi on the same network. You will need one USB cable if using wired mode. You will enable Bluetooth if using wireless HID mode. You will install a server on the laptop and a client on the phone before pairing. Enable Bluetooth on both the laptop and the phone and open Bluetooth settings. On Mac OS, install Type 2 phone or a similar HID server app and grant Bluetooth permissions in System Preferences. Put the phone in pairing mode and make the laptop advertise as a keyboard device. Accept the pairing PIN code on the phone when prompted and confirm the connection. Open a Notes app on the phone and test typing from the laptop keyboard to verify HID inputs arrive correctly and reliably. Install Desk Dock server on the laptop and the Desk Dock client on the Android phone before starting. For wired mode, connect the phone with one USB cable and enable USB debugging inside developer settings on Android. For wireless mode, ensure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network and allow client connections in the server app. Launch the server and client, verify the laptop keyboard control is active, then move the mouse into the phone display area to focus text and begin typing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.